What it do, world? Today, I'm doing my first unboxing. I really I'm doing an unboxing because when I was doing my research, trying to figure out which computer I was gonna get, it was only one video up on here, so I guess it's gonna be two. It's the HP desktop with a 24-inch monitor. Well, no, with a 23.8-inch monitor. And, it's the HP model number 595 P0084. It's the i7, for the processor and all that. SSD with an HDD backup. Or hard, yeah. I'm paraphrasing. I don't know why I look it up. It's the keyboard right here. Wireless keyboard and mouse. I got an HP laptop. It's like 10 years old though. That's what I've been using. I'm just really stopped using it because a couple of my programs don't take Windows 7 no more. So, but I'm gonna see if I can upgrade some of them parts on there, and which I'm still using it anyways. But I'm gonna upgrade it. Eighth gen core processor i7, 16 gigabytes memory RAM, 1 terabyte of hard drive, like I said, the solid state drive SSD. They got the what they call it, the round USB. Is that the 2.0? or the 3.1. USB, the SD memory slot, HDMI on the back with some more USB slots, the 2.0, and an Ethernet slot. I think that's what I'm gonna do for this one. This one going straight Ethernet. I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna get back with you in a minute. Man, I don't remember setting up a computer took this much. I'm tired. Hungry. I need to hurry up.